Hey guys, and today we're going to be talking about object pooling. So some of you might already know what object pooling is. It can be used on basically anything in the game, ranging from enemies to projectiles to effects. This video is about how I used object pooling to optimize the effects of the game, such as whenever you shoot an enemy, shoot a barrel, or really just shoot anything, and how much of a performance impact it actually had before and after. So let's get right into it. So for this demonstration, I actually have a boolean on the VFX manager that toggles between an optimized mode and a non-optimized mode, and we'll be looking at the performance graph to compare the before and after. As you can see in the unoptimized graph, the spikes are a lot bigger and the MS is a little bit higher. You can also see that I'm freezing when I move around and shoot, which is really not good. In the optimized graph, we can see that the spikes are actually a little bit smaller and we're not losing any MS. We're also not freezing when we move around and shoot, which is really good. I also want to mention that the shotgun is probably the most taxing weapon you can use specifically for this function. When you shoot an enemy, extra particle effects play, and it also plays a sound depending on what weapon you're using. When you just shoot a wall, it only gives you the impact effect, which is separate from the particle effect. I also want to mention those blue lines that you're seeing in the game, that's just the spread of the shotgun. You won't actually see that when you play the game. This is a pretty important feature that we probably should have implemented earlier. Seeing the before and after is definitely important, especially being the first time I've ever made anything like this, so we can actually understand the magnitude of it and apply it elsewhere. And the fact that it gave us such a performance boost with just particle and impact effects is amazing. That was Devlog 55, thanks for watching and have a good one.